YouTube, hear me and say, my cool no man. Try stars again and check in, man. You know what I mean? I mean, I say big up all them subscribers and all them new subscribers you see log on since the other day. Respect, welcome, and you don't know, say I try stars this and we are tuning in and we are do the thing right? You are going on. I see some ads sent from over the road, like OTR, advertise. Companies from Ontario and Montreal, but you know, all over Canada need drivers still, know, but I just them flyers here I get. You know, my email, I just put them together, put them in like a sightseeing thing, like, you know what I mean, and just put them 3x3 so I can see them, release them right after this video. So them want company drivers, also advertise them more owner operators all over in Canada. Some of them companies, some of them do training. Some don't, but honestly, I don't really know. You know, you can pre them, pause it, whatever you watch it on your phone, your laptop, your TV, pause it, write down the email address, send them an email, send a resume, tell them what go on, whatever. So I work, see if, you know what I mean? Because them needy drivers, as I said, I don't know who and who really do the training. Right after this is it.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.